Capacity. Capacity is one of the elements to form a binding contract. So, what is capacity? Capacity is also means competency. Capacity bermaksud keupayaan. Competency bermaksud kemampuan. Under the law of contract, the contracting parties must have the capacity. According to Section 10 Clause 1 of the Contracts Act 1950, it provides that all agreements are contracts if they are made by parties competent to contract. This means, in order to make a valid binding contract, the parties to the contract must be competent or having the capacity to contract. Otherwise, the agreement between them is not a valid contract. Jadi, setiap pihak yang berkontrak mesti ada keupayaan untuk berkontrak. Jika tidak, kontrak tersebut tidak sah. Now, who has the capacity? Section 11 of the Act provides, every person is competent to contract who is of the age of majority, of sound mind, and is not disqualified from contracting. This means the persons who have the capacity to contract are 1. Of the age of majority or adults, iaitu seorang yang dewasa. 2. Sound mind, iaitu berakal sempurna atau waras fikiran. 3. Not disqualified from contracting, means not an insolvent or bankrupt person. Ini bermaksud jika seseorang itu muflis atau bankrupt, dia telah hilang kelayakan untuk berkontrak.